We are going to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We are going to Dallas, Texas.
Later.
We are going to Los Angeles,
Many minutes later.
We are going to Hotel XCARET.
Hotel XCARET Arte.
And whose room is this?
Of course, it's the grand suite. It's mine and Jay's.
Lucky, lucky.
I hope you'll get a view of behind you because.
He started with the water.
Can we get a tour of this luxurious
Room.
Yes, in fact, you can. Ask one of my servants. This is the little bit of living area with their coffee selection over here.
They're huge.
Then we have a bedroom.
How big would you say that bed is?
How big? What did you say?
How big is that bed?
It's a king size bed.
We got
Then come around here. Here we go. We're going into the bathroom area. Notice the nice tub. I'm sure Jay is gonna hop right in this. Hey, Caston, look at this. Let's stand there. Look.
they have those in Japan.
Isn't that cool?
Lauren and Jay were the first to get to their rooms, so we headed to lunch while we waited for ours to become ready.
Welcome to Hotel XCARET 2022. We're finally on a family vacation here in Mexico at the XCARET Arte Hotel. And who better to give us a room tour
Hi there.
than lovely Selena. Are you ready?
Sure. Hi, come on in. All right, first thing you're gonna see is a little hallway, and then you turn over. You see our master bed right here. It's pretty big and spacious. As you can see, it's plenty of room for both Peyton and I. We definitely have some spare room here for Zoe to squeeze on up by. Then you walk in, and it's our living room / dining area with a beautiful view, but we'll get into that soon. Got a good flat screen here, a coffee bar, and a couple of unusual snacks like what is this one? Enchilada lollipop. So that will be fun to try later. And then the coffee pods, immaculate. They smell fantastic. And you'll see this little chair right here. It's just made out of strings, pretty unique. I love the coloring on it. It's pretty cool. And don't forget the tapestry as well. That's beautiful. And you're gonna come out here to this view I was talking about. Each room comes with a hammock. Check out that view. Already at home. So one of the things you might walk past here is this beautiful space right here, and you get plenty of mirror space right here. You see a nice sink and this gorgeous hot tub. That's not all. You may think this is just a mirror, but it's actually pretty hidden. If you open it up, there's a full walk-in bath. Over here you've got some extra closet space, some umbrellas. which is pretty handy right now since we're in the middle of a hurricane. It's a great time to come to Mexico. And then just walk-in bathroom right here. Now, gone. My butt is wet. For no reason at all.
And the best part of this room, hidden behind this wooden force. So you have this mini fridge. Now, I know what you're thinking. This stuff probably costs a lot. Well, usually this water would probably be like $7 a bottle or something. But here it's all included, so I can drink this perfectly normal water and feel like I'm really rich. Selena, we
Yes.
have our first mission.
Yes.
Jay is stuck in a pool. We have to go help him out. Let's
Yep.
go.
I love the walls here.
Came as fast as it could. Jay has been rescued. Crisis diverted.
Yes, thank you.
What were you saying, Peyton?
Huh?
What were you saying?
It's cold. It's most certainly cold.
Wait, I want you to reenact what you just
Selena,
did.
go on in.
She's going in.
Selena is.
Look at Peyton. Look at Peyton. Peyton said it's cold. Selena's going on in.
Cold now?
A little bit.
Oh my god.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You ready for dinner at Cayuko?
Oh yes.
Do you know where it is?
Right over there.
Tonight we are on a skeleton crew of just myself, Selena, Caston.